How to fix app not downloading on iPhone. Firstly, open settings on your device. At the very top, you will see your Apple ID. Click on it. Scroll down to the very bottom. Click on the option Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in. This will reset your Apple ID and the problem might be fixed. Now go to the option Screen Time. Then click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, select the option Allowed Apps and Features. Make sure that necessary apps are allowed. Now go back to your settings main page and click on the option General. Inside General, you will see different options. Now look for the option App Store. If it's not available, then you can simply go back and go to the search bar. Here search for App Store and click on the App Store option. Inside App Store, you will see the option App Downloads. Inside App Downloads, select the first option Always Allow. Now go back to your main page, roll down your notification bar, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on airplane mode. And again, turn off the airplane mode and turn on Wi-Fi. Sometimes, maybe because of your network connection, the apps might not be downloading.